Converting a Wix website to WordPress involves transferring content and redesigning your site, as there is no direct import or export feature between the two platforms. Here's a step-by-step guide. Set up a WordPress account. First, choose a hosting provider that supports WordPress and install WordPress on your domain. Most hosting providers have a one-click WordPress installation. Select the WordPress theme. Browse the WordPress theme library or purchase a premium theme that matches your Wix site's design. Install the theme through the Appearance Theme section in WordPress. Export content from Wix. Wix doesn't allow direct content export, so manually copy content such as text, images, and media files from your Wix site. Import content to WordPress. Add your content to the new WordPress site. Pages. Create new pages in WordPress and paste your copied content. Posts. If you had blog posts on Wix, manually copy them into WordPress posts. Set up redirects. Use a plugin like Redirection to set up 301 redirects from your old Wix URLs to the new WordPress URLs to avoid losing SEO rankings. Customize and launch. Customize your WordPress site with plugins and widgets. After everything looks good, publish your new WordPress site.